Hello everyone, my name is Misbah ur Rahman, and I am a content creator participating in the New Day Education 2025 competition. Over the past few days, I had the opportunity to attend a series of inspiring workshops that gave me a deep understanding of media, journalism, and education in today's world. During the first workshop, Oleg Dmitriev shared valuable insights about the responsibilities of journalists and how news should be verified before reaching the public. His discussion on how misinformation and propaganda can spread through modern media really helped me understand the importance of ethics and accuracy in journalism. In the next session, Alexey Nikolov talked about media, journalism, and digital transformation. He discussed how new media platforms are shaping global communication and how digital storytelling plays a major role in connecting audiences across borders. His experience helped me see how the future of journalism is becoming more interactive and technology-driven. Later, Mustapha Muhammed Jamiu guided us through a thoughtful discussion by asking questions and sharing case studies. His session encouraged participants to think critically about media communication, creativity, and how we can use our own cultural perspectives to produce meaningful media projects. On the third day, Maryam Feudijo shared her personal experience as a student in Russia. She talked about studying, living, and adapting to Russian culture, which gave me a real picture of what international education and cultural exchange feel like in Russia. Her story was very motivating and connected well with the theme of global education. Finally, Natalia Ivanova gave us a detailed explanation about the competition and the media projects. Her session helped me understand how to integrate the knowledge we gained from all these workshops into our own creative submissions. Through these webinars, I learned that media is not just about communication. It's about responsibility, creativity, and bridging cultures. I have tried to reflect these ideas in my media projects, which explore education, language, and opportunities in Russia. Thank you to the New Day Education team for organizing such a meaningful experience that connects learning, journalism, and international collaboration.